students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about introduction to food science. Like, what is food science? The study of food science emphasizes the composition of foods and the changes that occur when they are subjected to processing. The amount of nutrients present in different foods and the effect of cooking are part of the study of food science. So let's see from the definitions. Civilized man does not eat all the food as it is available in nature. He cuts, crushes, cooks, processes, and modifies in many ways before consuming it. Like what it is saying, civilized man, like developed. We are right now we are developing. Like before, Stone Age man used to eat directly raw vegetables and fruits. They don't know how to cook, but now we are civilized. We know how to cook properly and eat. Before eating, we process, like if it is vegetables, then we cook. We don't eat raw. In some cases we can eat raw like salads, but most of the time we cook the vegetables. We don't like processing. Many food are done processing by adding preservatives to preserve it for more days, adding varieties to the food, making different dishes from the food, like that. Let's see the definitions. Food is defined as anything solid or liquid which when swallowed यानी कि निगलना, digested यानी कि पाचन, and assimilated पचाना या फिर मिल जाना. Anything which is swallowed, which when swallowed, digested and assimilated nourishes the body. यानी कि निगलना, पचाना या फिर assimilated यानी कि मिल जाना, nourishes the body. ये बॉडी को नरिश करता है, यानी कि बॉडी को पोषण देता है. सेकेंड वन, लेट्स सी व्हाट इज़ फूड साइंस. फूड यानी कि खाद्य पदार्थ, साइंस यानी कि विज्ञान. वॉट एवर ट्रीटमेंट इज डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ साइंस टू फूड्स इज नोन एज फूड साइंस. Food is mixture of many different chemical components. The study of food science involves an understanding of changes that occur in these components during food preparation, whether natural or induced by handling procedures. Food science helps us to understand, like when we cook the food, many changes are seen. When we process the food, like from rice, we make it like rice flakes, that's the processing. Many ways are there. With the help of science, new ways and technologies are nowadays coming. Many physical and chemical reactions occur during food preparation. These reactions may be a result of the interaction between components, the medium of cooking, and the environmental conditions like heat, cold, light, and air to which they are subjected during cooking. Study of food science also includes understanding of the nutritive value of different foods and methods of preserving them during cooking. This information provides a foundation of theory and method on which to build the study of food preparation. Food science nothing but helps us to understand the time to prepare the food and ways how can we cook, like how it cooks with the heat, cold or light. We can understand the different nutritive value of different foods, like which food has more nutrition, which food has more protein, which food has more energy, which food has more fat, vitamins and minerals, like that. So food science basically helps us to understand the food and quality and texture. Study of food science also includes understanding the nutritive value of different foods and methods of preserving them during cooking. This information provides a foundation of theory and method on which to build the study of food preparation. Third one is food additives. यानी कि food additive यानी कि यूज intentionally added substances. Food additive is defined as non-nutritive substances. It's non-nutritive, it's not nutrient, it's non-nutritive substances added intentionally to food, generally in small quantities. Means food additives are generally added in small quantities to improve its appearance. Appearance means to its look good, to look colorful, its flavor, texture or storage properties. To look good, we normally add like food color. Example is food color. And for flavor, sometimes we add some spices, or texture, its color, or some storage properties like salt is used for preservating, like that. So food additive is nothing but substances which is not nutrient, non-nutrient substances added intentionally to the food. Next is fermented food. What is fermented food? Fermented food is produced by the action of bacteria. The bacteria used is lactobacillus or some other, mostly lactobacillus, for making curds, idlis and dosas. Bacteria or molds which act on carbohydrates and proteins present in foods and hydrolyze them to simpler products, yielding pre-digested foods like idli, dosa, yogurt, curd, etc. Next is food technology. Food technology is the application of principles of food science and engineering to the processing and preserving large quantities of food. So, some say changes are done to the food to increase its shelf life and to production in large quantities. Food fortification is defined by WHO as the process whereby nutrients are added to the foods in relatively small quantities to maintain or improve the quality of the diet of a group, a community, or a population. Like rice, wheat, and some other cereals are fortified, like its vitamins and minerals are increased by fortification. Like for example, vitamin D fortified milk and milk products are available in the market. It's because of food fortification. Fortification is the process of improving nutrient content in crops through breeding or genetic modification, enhancing mineral and bioavailability of cereals like rice, wheat, bajra, or any other pulses, or like some other vegetables also. Food chemistry. Food chemistry is nothing but studying in detail about the structure, properties, and their components of foodstuffs. Food chemistry is the discipline that is involved in investigating the composition, structure, and properties of foodstuffs and their components. Non-nutrients of foods are organic compounds having no nutritional function. They may be toxins or beneficial substances like fiber or compounds that may improve palatability or pharmacological importance. For example, non-nutrient substances like fiber. Fiber is useful in digestion, but it is not a nutrient. It's non-nutrient of foods, but it is useful. Sometimes non-nutrient substances may be harmful or it may be useful. Like fiber is used for digestion and palatability, or it may have pharmacological importance. Functional food. Functional food is also known as superfood. Functional food provides health benefits beyond the nutrient contribution when they are eaten on a regular basis in adequate amounts. Functional foods has positive effect on a person's health, physical performance or state of mind. For example, green leafy vegetables, fruits, fish, milk and dairy products. These are all the functional foods which help to reduce the health problems like milk and vitamin D helps in the reduction of osteoporosis, a disease related with bone deformity. It's it's superfood. It's also known as functional food. Its function helps in the body to cure the disease present in the body. That's why it's known as functional food or superfood. Phytochemicals are non-nutrient compounds found in plant-derived food that have biological activity in the body. Phytochemicals are nothing but pigments like yellow, green, orange, red. Carotenoid is a phytochemical present in carrots which is yellow, orange or red in color. Food safety and regulation is related to food sanitation in public health and rules and regulations governing it. Food safety is a department which looks after the sanitation, means cleanliness of the food, which public health, regarding public health, which is public people are having now that food safety officers look after the sanitation, means cleaning and processing of food. Antioxidants. Antioxidants include compounds that protect biological systems against the potentially harmful effects of processes or reactions that can cause excessive oxidations. USDA. Antioxidants are the substances present in fruits and vegetables which protect us against cancer cells. It also protects us against aging and many other disorders. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.